Hey guys, we have another package. So I actually have no idea what this one is, but just got home, feeling excited. Okay, is my address on here? No. My address on here? No. Is my address... How many packages are here? That's... Wait. Aha! Sneaky. That's crazy. Let's do another unboxing. I don't really like unboxing videos, but here we have another unboxing. So we have this package. The item is this small, not the entire package, so let's rip this open. Let's see what it is. It's a little Wi-Fi relay board. It basically connects to Wi-Fi. Then you can switch it from your phone, the relay, so you can turn off like lights or turn on light, whatever. Yeah, so it's a relay board. This does not say. I hope it's not gonna break. Smile. Hey. Okay. This. It's LEDs, but it's 3 very large LEDs. Let me actually show you. There we go. All right. So, yeah, it's very bright. Well, should be very bright. If I received all of my parcels, I can test it out today. This one, I'm assuming, it's the same. Yep, thank you. Smile. And then lights. Cool. And then we have these 3, which I have no idea what this is. Oh, I know exactly what this is now. This, you connect the red and green to a positive voltage of 3.7 to like 7 volts, and then you get about 10,000 volts on the output. So you can make a pretty nice shocker toy with this that I might be making in a near future video if I'm very bored. This does not say what it is, but oh, okay. This is an LCD display. It's a little board that can tell you stuff. Like if you program it right, it'll tell you like time. I think you can just address. Yeah, you can just connect this, program it, and it can be your little monitor if you know how to program it right. Then this does not say what it is either, so we gotta guess on everything. Oh, okay, this is another device like the other shocker, but this one has a different voltage range. This one has 3.7 to 6, and this one has 3.7 to 6. Okay, well, I guess they just packaged them in 2 different things because... Oh, never mind. The numbers are literally the exact same. So yeah, these are 2 of the same things. So my boost converters didn't really arrive today, so I guess it's for another time, but I can probably try to find it or test it out today. So here I am in a new orientation. Don't worry about the background sound. That's just my air conditioner, because I am it is very hot in here. So after assembling 3 12-volt lead-acid batteries, which equal about to 36-37 volts. As you can see, actually I'm going to close my eyes so I can, see properly afterwards. Wrong way, because these sides are not very well marked, so trial and error. It does get hot extremely quickly. So, yeah, I'm not gonna I'm not going to keep it on for long. But here's the background of the thing. I'm going to close my eyes as well here because it's 100 watts of light. Alright, that's probably enough. I have to look back at the footage to see how bright it actually is. But that's just one. I bought 6. Well, more like 12, but 6 only arrived, so yeah. I'll be soldering these and using them in a project for the future. I bought more stuff, but they haven't arrived yet, so I just used these 3. The boost converters that are supposed to arrive, I can run one 12-volt lead-acid battery and step it up with a lower current. So you guys will see that very soon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Yeah, basically it. New packages today, so I might as well make a video today. So yeah, have a great day. Peace.